Hello everyone, welcome to ixamBee. So as you already know, the IBPS released the notification for this year and there are 203 vacancies for IT officer. In this video, I'm going to talk about IBPS SO IT exam pattern, and I will also share the study plan that you can follow to prepare this exam very smoothly, and you will be able to crack this exam very smartly. So whether you are just starting your preparation or already in the middle of your preparation, this video will going to help you. And yes, before we begin, here is the bit of motivation. These are the selections for IBPS SO 2024 from the ixamBee, and we have also mentored many successful candidates who cracked the exams like SEBI, RBI and NABARD. So let's first understand the exam pattern that will help you to plan your preparation smartly. So in the prelims, there are 3 sections: English, Reasoning and Quant. So for English, there are 50 questions of 25 marks and the time allotted is 40 minutes. For Reasoning, there will be 50 questions of 50 marks and time will be 40 minutes. And in Quant, there will be 50 questions of 50 marks and also time will be allotted as 40 minutes. So here you can see that the total number of questions will be 150 and the maximum marks is 125. There is no professional knowledge sections in prelims. Now let's come to the most important paper which will decide your selection: professional knowledge, the IT subject, in which you will get the 60 number of questions of 60 marks and time allocated will be 45 minutes. So in this paper you will get the questions from your subjects, especially from the networking, DBMS, operating system, programming languages, data structure, cloud computing, etc. And if you are talking about the scheme of this exam, so in prelims there is a negative marking and in mains there is also a negative marking, and prelims will be qualifying in nature and mains and interview will be the part of merit list. And for interview, the minimum marks to qualify is 40%, and if you are belonging to the category like SC, ST, OBC and PWD, then 35% marks will be required. And the weightage for mains exam and the interview will be 80 and 20% respectively. Now that you know the pattern of this exam, let's talk about the study plan that you can follow. So here we have designed the 12 weeks study plan being followed. Like on a day 1 you can follow this. We have divided this study plan on the basis of 2 topics each day. Like in morning you can focus on these topics and in evening you can focus on these topics. So like day 1 you are focusing on this and in evening you are focusing on this, because the syllabus for IT exams is very vast, so and there is less time to prepare. So that's why we are following this strategy. So this is the complete plan for week 1 following by the other weeks. So like here you can see that on day 49 you will start from the algorithms part, the time complexity, then the divide and conquer algorithms and greedy dynamic programming. All the syllabus has been covered through this study plan. Also we have focused on mock test and chapter test and the study notes which you are going to prepare while you are studying. So this is the complete plan for 12th week. You can download this plan from the description. So do not wait for anything else. Start preparing. And if you want to prepare with us, we are also providing an online course in which you will get the video lessons, study notes, practice questions, chapter test, section test, mock test, also a live doubt sessions. So this will be the pedagogy strategy to prepare for this exam. Also we have expert sessions, and the mock test we are providing will give you an exam hall mode feel. So this is all about this video and the online course. So if you have any doubt, I am conducting a workshop on 11th July related to IBPS SO preparation strategy. So you can join. It is a free workshop. So the link for the workshop will be mentioned in the description below. You can check out there, and the download link for the study plan we have discussed in this video will also be there. So don't waste your time and start preparing. Thank you. Prepare 50% faster with ixamBee.